Boyum produces a documents report, which is fairly easy to customize. I did customize this one, obviously by putting a logo in, but I also added this packaging down in here. So this gives you an idea, how did I do this? So let's go back in and look at the Crystal report. And what I did down in here is this is a sub-report. The sub-report is suppressed except when we get an object type 15, which is a delivery order. So then let's look at the actual sub-report. And the sub-report is a fairly simple command line. And what I'm doing in here is I am using DLN7, which is the packing slip header, and DLN8, which is the packing slip detail. And obviously the ODLN is the delivery order number. And then I've got the unit measure information as well. And this is for packaging type as well. So I go through here and I'm getting the doc entry, the package number, the package type, the package weight, all of these different fields, and I'm placing them in the report. So when I look at the report itself, you can see that I've got the package number, type, weight, item in package, quantity, etc. And then I've got my totals in here, so you have all of the total weight, so you have all of the weight that you need on the packing slip that's going to go out with the document.